Hey guys! So as you can see right here, it may look like we're going to unbox a Asuna, from Sword Art Online, anyway. So I guess we can get unboxing now. This is how she looks right now. Look at that sword in her hand. It's a funk pop. It's a pop animation, and I got this from Hot Topic. Now, this is only exclusive pre-release. This is like only sold inside of Hot Topic or like today. So let's just go to unboxing. So we just open up from the top, right there. So yeah, and there she is. Look at that. There she is. So much to pull out. Look at her in the plastic. Look at that. So I'm not taking her out or anything. Look at that diamond sword right there, and look at her, dress. I'm gonna take it out. I don't think she stands very well. But look at her compared to my LP toy. She's very short, but she's all bendable. It doesn't hurt. This sword doesn't hurt. This sword doesn't hurt. It's just bendable. It doesn't hurt. Yeah, I guess you can move her arms if it fits. But let's look at her face or her body. Look at those little feet, those boots or sneakers, and look at the skirt. Look at her legs. Look at all the details into it they put into it. See, look at that. Yeah, remember I got this from Hot Topic, so I guess this is good quality, and because Hot Topic's like, I don't know, $20. Okay, so let's look at her dress. Look at all the details put into it. There's like paint marks, but I guess I can get rid of that. And look at her head, so big, humongous, and her hair too. Look at that. They even put so much detail onto like her hair too at the back. They put like braids right here, like Asuna. She has like hazel or brunette or something. She doesn't have a mouth, surprising, but she has a nose. So look at her eyes though. I mean, oh my gosh, it's so black. Look at that. But look at her. It's a really short boxing video, but look at her hands. They put so much detail into it, and look at the sword. I want you to focus on that. I can't focus on that, right. So, look at those shoes and stuff. But that's, I guess, all what I have in stock for you guys. I'm really lazy making videos right now. I think it's about, like, quantity, not quality, but sometimes about quality, not quantity. But look, bye, guys. Bye, guys. She says bye.